Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Jake from RCNE, and you are on my camera stand, and this is what we're gonna do. Alright, as you've seen in my other videos, I got another car, so we're gonna be redoing this car. We're not using basically anything out of the chassis. It's junk, a battery box. I'll keep the foam that's back here though. Gotta take that out of there. It's the only thing worth it. I guess I'll take it out after. Oh, maybe I can do it. There we go. Alright, we need this. This holds our battery from sliding. We need this. The chassis, battery box. We got all our parts over here. They're not on the camera, you can't really see them. Alright, so let's get started. Get some Allen wrenches. There we go. That's it. Okay. So basically, we're gonna be undoing the chassis. I know. Oh, you gotta get a drill and get all your nice bits. Well, I like to do it like this. A little bit more finesse, and you're okay, you know. Alright, so I'm not going to speed this up at all. This is actual time. This is all the things that you run into. I will stop the video and post another one as we go, because I know you guys will get bored and seeing the same thing all the time, trying to put it together, you know. So, alright. There we go. This shouldn't take that long. I know all my screwdrivers and hex head drivers are all in my car right now, because I was using my offner in the snow, and I usually bring my tool bag anywhere I go, but I didn't need it. I ain't going outside right now because it's 5 degrees, and I got the tools here, and this is what I'll use. Who knows, I might get tired and go get them. So yeah, this is the rear chassis frame bracket that's broken off. So we're just undoing the screws. And a couple more things here. Pull my chair up a little more. There we go. Alright. Yeah, I usually just stick the nuts and bolts inside of an old RC car tie that I had, so I don't lose them, so they're jumping all over the place. Alrighty. So we got that. Now, we have to take off the rest of it. This is so fun, huh? Hold on 1 second. There we go. Let's pry them off. There we go. Junk. Garbage. Yeah. Alright, so this is what we have. This is usable. We need this. And take our antenna out of here too. We need that. Doesn't want to come out. So, there's the chassis is broken right there. We'll just take our knife real quick. Cut. There we go. Need that. Alright, now let's start undoing the bottom of this. Look at that. So, just gonna do the bottom bulkhead. Alright, let's see what we got. I think it's this one right here. Let's see. There we go. Just undo that. And just keep doing the process. See that? Make it look easy, but yeah, right. Oh, see, I'm talking. Alright. Yeah, we got 2 more under there. So there's the trick, pull the bumper back. You don't have to waste time taking it off the shock tower on the top. It's only 2 more bolts, but I find this a little bit easier this way. Then we'll undo the steering servo. I'm gonna get a high-tech one. This is just the stock one. Believe it or not, this car has nothing for use on it. It was just broken and then it turned into a parts car. Well, I'm gonna bring it back. It's like having a 1957 Chevy sitting in the junkyard for what? If you can use it, bring it back to life. Alright, here we go. Now I'll take the servo mount screws out. Take those off. Oops. I'm gonna have to take off these side bumpers too. Put them on the new chassis, I believe. Yeah. Alright, so that servo is disconnected in the front. Now, I believe I only have 2 more screws to go in here. I can see them right in here. Nope, there's 3. I lied. So we'll get those. Then we'll open up the chassis bag. I think I can grab my cleaning toothbrush and clean up some of these parts before I put the brand new chassis on, just to make it look better. So, 1 more bolt after this. And then I believe the frame actually comes right out after that, but who knows? It's always something, you know? Almost got it out there. I'm sure when we're driving in the summer, there's going to be a lot more videos too of driving around, and it's just hard during the winter. It's so